What's up, guys? We are back again today. I just wanted to briefly talk about the fact that there's opportunity everywhere. If you're kind of on the fence and you're wondering, should I get into woodworking? Should I get into CNC woodworking? Should I buy a CNC machine? I would say absolutely yes, especially if it's something that you're excited about and interested in, and you think you're really going to love it. You want that creative outlet. You should do it just based on that alone. But if you're wondering, am I going to make any money? Am I going to make my money back? Absolutely, you will. So I have more opportunity than I can even handle right now. But again, I'm pretty busy. I'm a single father to two kids. We spend a ton of time together. I still work a full-time job. Plus, I'm doing this YouTube stuff, trying to learn some of this. So I got a lot going on. I've got my business, and I can only do so much and handle so much. But certainly, I've had my machine for around a year now, and I haven't even had the opportunity to really use it the way that I was kind of planning on and would have liked to, because last year we had road construction right out front of my building. It's the main drag through town. Everybody was diverted around our town, and we live in a very small area. The most business that we get is in the summer with tourism, and because everybody was diverted around the town anyways, and most people aren't coming to our town necessarily, if the road's open, they'll stop and shop, but because that road wasn't open and they were diverted around the town, everybody just kind of went past, and summer was horrible, business was horrible. But anyways, if especially if I could have had my machine right from the beginning of opening this shop. I was open for like a year before I even bought my machine, because I was kind of on the fence. Should I buy it? Am I going to make my money back? But it didn't take long for me to realize yes, because one of the guys that I sell for out of my shop, so again, I sell on consignment out of my shop for other woodworkers, he had a CNC machine. He brought his items in right when I opened my store, and he sold the most the first year of my business. I think he sold like around $3,000, and the machine that I bought only cost $2,000. So after that first year, and he got most of the business because he was the only one at the time with the CNC machine that was selling out of my shop. So anytime somebody would come in looking for a custom thing to be made, or a custom name carved into something, or a design, whatever it was, he was the guy that could do it. So I would send all that business to him, and yeah, I think he made around like $3,000 or something like that. Maybe a little less, maybe around two, or somewhere between two and three. But the point was, I saw that and I was like, that gave me the courage to go ahead and buy my machine. So second year I had my machine, but then we had that road construction out front, and I just didn't even have the opportunity to use it the way I'd hoped. But this year should be a good year, better year, and we can get a little more data on it. But either way, before I had my machine, I was doing whatever I could with the tools I had, which wasn't much. I was doing a little bit of wood burning. I had somebody come in that wanted, just a little design wood burned into some trim boards for their bathroom. So I stained those and wood burned those for him. I made those walking sticks. But then I got my machine, and I made a custom jewelry box, a custom donation box, a few other things I can't remember, but certainly the opportunity is there. It's out there, and I have not marketed it. Besides, I have a Facebook page, and I put a few flyers around town. Other than that, I have not marketed my business at all. So if I were to market, I'd probably have even more business. But again, I'm not necessarily ready for that yet. I've got a lot going on, and you can do anything, but you can't do everything, right? So I do what I can when I can, but absolutely opportunity is everywhere. And if you're, again, on that fence, should you buy one of these machines? Absolutely, I would say yes. You're going to make your money back. I just had a lady come in last week looking for another custom thing to be made. She's got a big family heirloom rug, and she wants to hang it on her wall. She wants me to make, some board at the top that the rug can kind of hang from, maybe carve something nice into that board. But there's that opportunity. There's an opportunity I'm really excited about later in the year here. There's a big local open water swim competition from the land out to one of the islands. It's a pretty cool little race, but they give medals out, and I had the lady who runs the thing contact me looking to have medals made. She's like, I wanted to do something different this year, and I was thinking wood. So she wants me to make up all the medals for this swim race, and it's a pretty big race. It's a pretty big deal. So that's a great opportunity. I'm excited for that one. But again, I did not reach out to her. She reached out to me. I haven't even marketed, and people come to me all the time. So word of mouth is amazing. I've done some really nice projects. So certainly word of mouth works. But again, guys, the opportunity is there. It's out there. There's more opportunity, again, that I haven't taken advantage of. I took some little wooden magnets to a local coffee shop. They really liked them and were interested in buying some. But at the time, you know, I was doing other things and I didn't pursue it. I've had a local realtor inquire about maybe doing some like wooden keychains or something. I've had, there's another local store that sells pet products. There's a little bit of interest there for maybe me doing some things for their store. So again, guys, opportunities are endless. I'm in a very small town, surrounded by small towns. The biggest thing for us around here is tourism. Summertime, we get a lot of people coming through because we're in a beautiful area. We're right on the shore of Lake Superior. Summertime, the water's crystal clear. It's like aqua blue. You wouldn't even think that you're in northern Wisconsin. You feel like you're in the Bahamas or something. So we're in a beautiful area. Summertime is great for us, but we don't get a ton of local business. But even still, there's always opportunity. If I really wanted to push it and go hard, I could find even more opportunity that I just haven't found yet. So that's my little rant, guys. If you're on the fence and you're wondering, should I buy a machine? Should I get into it? Am I gonna make money? Yes, you will. I promise. I'm not even trying and I'm making money. So that's it, guys. I got to get to work here pretty soon, full-time job this weekend, so I'll try to stay in touch, maybe make a couple of videos over the weekend, but that's it. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see ya.